Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be creating this table of contents slide using the morph transition to create this really cool animation. This video is part of a series of videos where I create a pitch deck template in PowerPoint. All right, let's get started. We're going to start with a new slide. So I'm going to come over to new slide and then insert a blank slide. Next up, right click on the background, select format background, come over to color and we're going to change the color of our background to black. Next up is going to be a shape. Go over to insert, not a shape, sorry, a text box. We're going to insert a text box and I'm going to come over here and copy the title for this slide. This text is going to be in the description box below so you can check that out, and I'm just going to paste my text. Select the entire text box. We're going to change the font to Montserrat and I'm going to change the size to 44, and we're going to change the color of the text to white. I'm going to increase the width of my text box to have all my text on one line, and I'm also going to change the alignment of text to center. Now hold shift and then rotate this text to this direction and align it to the middle of your slide, just around here. Let's now insert a shape. Go over to shapes and over in basic shapes, we're going to use the diamond shape and I'm just going to insert it. Let's change the fill to this orange color. I'm going to show you the color in a moment. So the color is FF7A00 and that's the color we're going to use for the entirety of this project. I'm going to go over to outline and select no outline. Height of this shape is going to be 3.1 and the width is going to be 2.5. I'm just going to bring it here for a moment. We may have to move it, but for now, let's just sort of have it here. Next up, we're going to insert a text box. Go over to insert text box and I'm just going to type out 01. Select the entire text box. We're going to change the font to Montserrat. Size is going to be 24 and alignment of text is going to be center. I'm going to select these two shapes and just to make sure, go over to shape formats, align, align center, align, align middle. Next up, we're going to insert a line. Let's go to shapes one more time, go to lines, select a single line and we're going to just hold shift and then draw a line like this. This line, I want it to be touching the bottom of this diamond shape. Let me get closer. To do that, I'll just select it. I can just select this two just to check. I'll go to align. I'm going to align bottom just to make sure. Now just use my arrow key to guide me. Maybe I could move it up a bit so it looks a bit all right. Now select this line. The length of this line should be 11 cm. Now go over to shape outline. We're going to use the same orange color. Go over to shape outline one more time. Go to dashes and then select this one, the third from the bottom. That's the long dash. I'm going to select that and we are going to have this. Let me move it up a bit. Okay. This is actually, I prefer this. Finally, we're going to add another text box, but instead of creating a text box, we can just reuse this one. I'm going to hold Control and Shift. That way I create another copy of this text box without moving it, without changing its position. I'm going to change the color of the text to white and change the alignment of the text to left. Let's go to our notes, grab the first item for our table of contents, then we'll reuse it to create the rest. I'm going to select this and then paste. I'm just going to I'll increase the weight of the text box because we are going to reuse it for all of our other content. So let's just reuse it so we don't have to change it all the time. I'm going to select all of these items and then Ctrl G to group. Now I can zoom out and we're going to create a total of 10 copies of this. So I'm going to create 9 more copies. I'm going to hold Ctrl and Shift, create another copy like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm just going to bring this one here for the spacing. Let me take this one up a bit. I'm going to select all 5 groups. Let's go over to shape format, align, and we're going to distribute vertically. Hold Ctrl and Shift, and we're going to create another group of copies on this side. So I'm just going to place it here. So now we have a total of 10 of these items. Now we can just reuse it, change the details, and we can add in our content. So this is going to be 2, and then number 2 is going to be this. I'm going to copy it and then paste. Let's grab the contents for number 3, copy. Let me change this one to 3, paste. I'm going to change this to 4, and then I'm going to grab the contents for number 4, and then I'm going to grab, this is the only one that is going to be on 2 lines, so I'm going to change this one to 5 and then paste. All I'm going to do is just hold Shift and then align it to the center of this other shapes here, the text and the diamond shape. Let's come to this one, number 6. I'm going to go to my notes to copy the text for number 6 and then paste number 7, and then I'm going to copy and then paste. I'm going to change this to number 8. Let's grab the content for number 8. Let's change this one to 9. Grab the content for number 9, copy, and then finally we're going to do this for 10. I'm going to grab the content for number 10, copy it, and then we are going to paste. And with that, we are done with the content for our table of content. What we're going to do now is just animate this. Before I do that, I think I'll just move this one a little bit. All right, now we are going to add we're going to add our transition to this slide. Now select this slide, Ctrl D to duplicate. Select the one on top, go over to transitions. We're going to use the wipe transition, and duration is going to be 2.25. Now I'm going to select all of the content in our slide with the exception of the title. I'm going to use my right arrow key to move everything out of frame, and I'm just going to scroll here, then hold Ctrl, select this one, move everything to the right, then deselect, same with this one, and I'm just going to keep doing it till we have this cascading effect with all of them. So I'm going to start with the first row of items, and then now that I'm done, I can move to the next row of items. I'm going to move it out, same with this, and then this, and then finally I'm going to bring it like this. Let's go back. Now let's go to slide 3. We're going to apply the morph transition, and we're going to increase the duration to 3 seconds. Let's go back to slide 2 so we can see our slide in the slideshow view. So I'm just going to start the slideshow, and I'm just going to use my right arrow key, and yeah. So this is it for the table of contents for our pitch deck template in PowerPoint. If you want to watch the other videos in this series where I'll create the entire template, you can go ahead and check out the description box below to the link to the videos or the course playlist. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.